Alright guys, this is my coconut. I am about to chop out. To make some American porridge in the morning, yeah? So we need a bone dry coconut. So this is it. Deal with it. Hey guys, what's up? So after we done hooks up with coconut and thing, yeah, we are deal with it. We deal with our hominy can. So this is the hominy can, guys. So this is it, yeah. I have put this to soak overnight. Once you know you're going to make some hominy can porridge, you put it to soak. Put the corn then to soak, alright? Or you can just wash it and go ahead and pressure it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just chew off the water that is on it. That was placed on it to soak. Then I'm going to place this right in the pot with my coconut milk. Alrighty. Yeah man, so we just have to flavor up our pot. So we're using cinnamon stick. And you know that is for flavor and taste. And then we're going to just pour our corn right into our pot. Yeah, and we're going to boil this on high heat. As soon as you give it some boil on high heat, guys, you can go ahead and turn down the stove and let it just take its own time and cook properly. So guys, I am checking in with my hominy corn porridge, and yep, we need to add a cup of water to this. So as you cook it, as you go along, each time the water dry out, you add a cup of water. So this is what it look like. It's getting there. Let me give you a close-up. So we want to cook until these corn are tender. Yeah. So we're going to add a cup of water now, and we're going to cover this and allow to cook some more. And as I said, guys, you can pressure it. Take less time to cook when you pressure it. Our cinnamon stick is kicking up something in here, man. Whoa. Smell all of that flavor. So I'm gonna just cover and allow to continue to cook. Checking in back with my hominy corn. Alright. So I'm going to add some more of my coconut milk to the pot. This look like it, you know. So guys, boil this until it is tender, or till you see that gel-like substance. You know, you don't have to use any cornstarch in it, you know, depending on the amount you're boiling. After boiling it and it cook, you're going to see that gel-like substance liquid, right? So I add my coconut milk to my pot early. I can't get to show you it to let you see how it look. But you know it's yellow corn. You have white and yellow, but this is yellow corn. Yellow corn is the more popular one. So I'm going to cover back this and allow it to cook a little more, and then yeah, we start mix up the thing. So alrighty, so I am just grating my nutmeg egg to dash into my porridge, as soon as I remove it from the stove. And you know, nothing egg is one of the main ingredients in porridge, alright? So that is about it. Alright, now so I'm using a spoon of cornstarch. I'm using some cornstarch. I'm just going to add some water to that and mix it out. So we're going to put this in our porridge as well. To give it that thick substance. Alright, so this is it. We're going over to the pot now. So let me add a little more water. Come along, guys. Alright, checking in back with our American porridge, guys. This is it. Yeah, man, this is finished. So remember to keep your stove on medium heat and let it continue to cook until it is tender. So what I'm going to do now, we're going to test it. Ah, this is so hot though. Look at the grains. You can know that that has swelled. This is swelling, yeah? Alright, let me test it and see. So this is how you test it now, guys. But wait until it cool, alright? Whoa, hot. Alright, so crush it. Right, you see that? Yeah, this is how you know it is cooked. Soft and tender. So when you squeeze on it, look at that. Breaking into pieces. This is how you know it is ready. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and add my cornstarch to the pot. And you want to stir vigorously as you add the cornstarch so that you don't get any lumps. So this is creamy and nice. Whoa. Wow. Alrighty. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to season my porridge, put in my spice and stuff. I want to use the other spoon to show you the thickness of this Jamaican porridge and the creaminess. I haven't put any milk as yet. It's just our coconut milk. So I'm gonna just add some cinnamon powder to my pot. Alrighty, then I'm gonna go ahead and add my vanilla. And I'm gonna give that a good mix to combine all of these spices. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my nutmeg egg. So that's all the spices that I'm going to add to my porridge. Now I'm going to use tin milk to sweeten. You can go ahead and use your favorite sweetener. You can add more spices to your Jamaican. Remember, you are making it for your liking and your taste. So taste and adjust. Adding my milk to the pot. I'm gonna give that a good mix now. So this is the final All right, now guys, my hominy corn porridge is finished, and I'm going to plate it for you all to see. But growing up, you know, my mother used to look after hominy corn porridge. A matter of fact, she used to look after a lot of Jamaican porridge, banana porridge, rice porridge, you name it. Plantain porridge. Worse when time we tired of cornmeal porridge. Oh God, man. So if you guys are tired of our nice rich cornmeal porridge, here is something to quench your thirst and to taste up your taste bud. The hominy corn porridge. So I'm gonna plate this now, guys, and dive into some. Alrighty. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little pink salt to my porridge. Just a bit. There you go. And I'm going to just give that a good mix as well. Alrighty. So guys, I'm diving into some of this nice hominy corn porridge. Really creamy and nice. And this is not an egg. I put on top just for decoration purpose. So this is it. Lovely. Really nice. Creamy.